allowed to say what the movie was when they're filming. It isn't until today that we're finally allowed to say Quentin Tarantino's new movie, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, filmed out in this area, and they used these old Western sets. They were filming a scene right on the street with Brad Pitt sitting in a car, and Quentin Tarantino was behind the camera. We were not allowed to say what the movie was. We weren't allowed to say who was starring in the movie. We weren't allowed to say anything about it. So we're driving right by. We couldn't even tell people that's Brad Pitt in the car. And he looked a little different. You know, he had his hair different in the film. We were just finally able to talk about that today. If you'd seen the trailer for it on YouTube, most of the trailer is filmed out in our old Western sites. Tomorrow morning, they normally film every episode just a day ahead of time. Every set that I've been pointing out so far has been an outdoor set. Here's a good example of one built inside of a soundstage. And we are going to stop in the stage if you want to take some pictures. But please remain seated at all times. This set is 30 years old. Built to look like a subway station back in 1989. A couple years ago, there was an episode of Bones that was filming in the stage, and they were filming at night, waiting for the trams to finish. Whoa. That was an earthquake. Don't laugh, it's an earthquake. Everybody, hang on. Let's get out of here. The water main just broke. Oh! Right before the earthquake started, I was telling you that the sun was using an episode of Bones. I didn't laugh. That would have been a random thing to do. I want us to reopen the beach because there's another shark. There's a bigger shark out there. We haven't caught that one yet. Right next to the boat, there's somebody out there. Mister, the beach is closed. Sir, there's a shark. Mister, are you all right? The shark ate him. Yay! We are taking you over a very old wooden dock, so everybody please remain seated as we drive across.
I thought the jaws come at you like
Something just happened. The shark took part of the dock. The shark went back underwater. I don't see it. I see it. I have a window. We just got attacked by a shark. Of course, that's inspired by the movie Jaws, but the mechanical shark that just jumped up next to us, that's not the shark that Steven Spielberg used for the film. Our shark works better than his. When they were making Jaws, they built 3 different sharks. None of them worked. All of them kept breaking. There's a lot of shots in Jaws where you just see the fin come out of the water because they could get the fin to work. But very few shots where saw the whole show. They just didn't work. Norman lives in the house at the top of the hill, and he's known to go a little mad sometimes. You all know what I'm going to say. I told you. You know how I know that Norman Bates goes mad sometimes? I can see him. He's standing on the porch. He does not look happy. Look at him. He's staring. Norman! Can we take the tram into your backyard? I want to show them the set behind your house. Put the knife away. No? I'm going to tell your mother. Look what he did to the airplane. That's a sharp knife. What was that? The set that's right behind the Psycho House of the crashed airplane was built for Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of...
Charles is witnesses that will stop at nothing to eliminate this tunnel. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
This is not your jurisdiction.
It is now, Stink Pickle.
I'm so tired of you state guys stepping in just whenever you feel like.
Mute it.
All right.
Don't you...
That's better. We're moving your vehicle to a safe location until we have the situation under control. Until then, I want everybody to stay calm. Enjoy the ride. I'm taking care of business. Hobbs out.
Agent Hobbs just rerouted our tram into this building to hide from Owen Shaw. He does want everybody to be very safe, so please remain seated at all times while we're here. There's no need to put on your 3D glasses right now. We're just going to hide until Agent Hobbs says that it's safe for us to go back outside and continue the tour. They do want us to move a little farther into the building. There's a party going on. Hi, ladies. Aren't you people cold? Why are you breaking up the party? We just got here. Everyone's leaving? Maybe somebody can come back and tell us what we're doing.
This is what we're doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Neil,
That's right, party's over.
you know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight.
First of all, I don't work for you. Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I got to call you back. I'm in the middle of this.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Try to move that vehicle.
Okay?
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door. Roman, grab the truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
We're gonna go catch up with them? Now it's your time to put your 3D glasses on and get ready.